What's up, everybody? My name's Giuseppe, and today we're going to be getting into how you can validate your idea free of charge online using AI. So let's get into it. Today, the tool that I want to share with you is called Mixo.io. I've had multiple clients who've had this feeling like they just wanted to see if an idea made sense, and they weren't sure, but they didn't have a lot of money to figure it out and really validate the concept. And they felt like, oh, I'll just put this off till later when I have that sort of budget and I can test it, because a website, illustrations, tracking, all that kind of stuff takes money to build and design and work out. But what I found was that a lot of times these ideas are really difficult to validate because you need the money up front to build the website. You've spent that money, now you have less money to test your ads and see if people are actually attracted to what you want to make. Here's Mixo.io. Launch a startups in seconds with AI. So do you have an idea for a startup, a product, or service? Give this thing a prompt. It's going to generate the entire website for you. So let's get into it. So if you click on Get Started for Free, here is your startup idea. So for our startup idea, we're going to go a medical startup where you can get your heart transplant done out of the comfort of your own home. Beautiful. Generate site. Now it's going to take a couple minutes to get this part done, so we're going to let it chill. But just to go over what it's saying, it's creating site images, it's optimizing the website for SEO, just in case you do want to let it sit around. And you can also attach this to Google Analytics as well, very easily. It's a copy and paste link right there. It creates a desktop version, a mobile version, and a tablet version of the website. So no matter who is visiting your website, you're going to have a great chance of, meeting them where they're at. So if you're, especially for ads, there's not a lot of people on tablet, but you don't want to miss out, because what if someone on tablet needs a heart transplant out of the comfort of their own home, which is a super normal thing that happens now. So here we go. So we have a logo, we have a brand name, Heart Home. Get a heart transplant from the comfort of your own home. Here's the prompt that we gave it. And now here's the tablet version of the website. Get a heart transplant in the comfort of your own home. Get the medical care you need without leaving the comfort of your own home. Thank you, Mia Dunn, for this amazing testimonial. A little weird that it did the COVID-19 illustration there, but that's okay. And you can see all of the colors within these illustrations match the logo design. And that's what I find most important. Let's have a look at the desktop version of this thing so we can get a real good look at it. So here you go. Get a heart transplant from the comfort of your own home. Medical care, amazing, professional medical care and convenience. Well, that's what people are looking for if they're signing up for a heart transplant in the comfort of their own home. So the AI, I feel like, nailed it on at least two key points of what people care about when it comes to getting a heart transplant out of their own home. From here, Heart Home made it easy for me to get the medical care I needed. Join our community. Beautiful. So with this, in under 3 minutes, we now have something where we can jump in and, we can edit this now. So that's just a quick little 1-2, a nice little tool I found. If you have any questions, if you want to jump into it yourself, I'll have the link in the description below. And thank you for listening in today.